So children, let us see that next 11th question. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a plus b plus c is equal to 0, here a, b, c are that arbitrary constants, we know that, right? So if you add that arbitrary constants from that quadratic equation, then you will get the value as 0. Okay, then the equation is, what is the equation here? 3ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the given quadratic equation. So to this quadratic equation, here they are saying sum of the arbitrary constants of the given quadratic equations is 0. So actually children, here related to this is also related to nature of the roots only, but here this concept will come after that this worksheet. Okay, at that time I will explain you that one briefly. So here I will write that point. So what is that say? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has the roots are 1 and c by a. What is that point? One, see that if that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has the roots are 1 is the common root and the another root is here c by a. Actually this point is having that that explanation I will tell you in that concept. Okay, so just to see that point, depends on that point we will discuss about this problem. Okay, so first to see that here 3ax square plus 2bx plus c is equal to 0. Why madam here this one of the root is 1? Why? Because just by observing this one we can say that here see ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When we can say that a plus b plus c is equal to 0? If you substitute x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, then a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c is equal to 0. Just I substituted x is equal to 1. Then what we will get here? A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Okay, the same condition here they given. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then one of the root is x is equal to 1. Then another root is c by a. I will explain you that one in concept. So up to here say that. So one of the root is 1. So we can say that one of the root is 1. So what about the second root? Second root is c by a. So which means here c by a is equal to 3a. And we know that c and a, these two are that integers, rational numbers. Okay, whatever it may be here, these two. Here c by a. Okay, c by a again that is a rational number, yes or no? Okay, here 1 is a rational number as well as the c by 3a, that is also a rational number. Okay, so by seeing this one, no need to simplify it. Just by seeing this one, we can say that nature of the roots. Okay, just we have to keep one point in your brain, that is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0 of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then that equation has the roots are 1 and c by a. Okay, so as per that point here, alpha is equal to one of the root is 1 and another root is c by a. So at the place of a, here they given 3a. Okay, so here 1 is a rational number as well as c by 3a is also a rational number. Okay, so what is the nature of the roots here? Yes, that is roots are rational roots. Understand? So which option is correct ma here? That is option 4. Okay, so let us say that what is the 12th question. If the expression x square minus of 5m minus 2 into x plus 4m square plus 10m plus 25. So that is the given expression. So what is that given expression ma? Given expression, what is that? X square minus of 5m minus 2 into x plus 4m square plus 10m plus 25. Okay, that is the given quadratic expression. Okay, and here they given one of the condition also. What is that? Here can be expressed as a perfect square, can be expressed as a perfect square. So children, when we can say that a given expression can be shown as a perfect square, ma, if that delta is equal to 0. Okay, so and also given that delta is equal to 0. Why? Because the given equation should be expressed as a perfect square. Okay, so that's why here the condition is delta is equals to 0. Okay, so what is the delta here? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Understand? So here B is equal to minus of 5m minus 2 whole square, b square minus 4 into a is equal to here 1 and c is equal to 4m square plus 10m plus 25, which is equal to 0, which is equals to 0. Okay, so here we have to simplify this. So minus whole square is there, means that is a positive only, no? So in that positive, 5m minus 2 whole square. So 5m minus 2 whole square means here, or better to write this, 5m minus 2 whole square, okay, minus of 4 into, here 1 is there, no need to write, 4 into 1 is 4, 4m square plus 10m, m square plus 10m plus 25 is equal to 0. Clear, ma? Plus 25 is equal to 0. Now simplify this. 5m minus 2 whole square, which means a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4 into 4, 16m square, and minus into plus, minus 4 tens 40m, and here minus into plus, minus 25 fours 100, which is equal to 0. Clear? Now simplify this. So 5 5's 25m square minus 2 5's 10, 10 2's 20m plus 2 square is 4 minus 16m square minus 40m minus 100 is equal to 0. Okay, now simplify this like terms. So 25m square minus 16m square, which is equals to 9m square, and minus 20m minus 40m minus 60m, okay, plus 4 minus 100, so that is minus 96, which is equal to 0. So finally we got this quadratic equation. Understand? So children, is there any common one? Yes, we can take that 3 as common. So if you take that 3 as common, 3m square minus 20m minus 32, which is equal to 0. Okay, so from this one here, 3m square minus 20m minus 32 is equal to 0 by 3 means again we will get it as 0. Okay, so from this one, 3m square minus 20m minus 32 is equal to 0. So here we have to take that the roots. Okay, so 32 into 3, what you will get here, ma? 32 into 3, that is 96 again, right? So the factors of 96 and its difference or sum should be equals to minus 20. Understand? So that kind of factors to that 96. So which factors we can take here? Yes, its difference is 20, or we can take that its sum is 20. Okay, so let us see that. So children, easily here we can find that by using that quadratic formula. Okay, so what is that quadratic formula? Here m is equal to minus b plus or minus, why? Because here the equation which is in terms of m and we need to find that m value only, no? So that's why. So minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a b square minus 4ac by 2a. So from this one, m is equal to minus b. So minus of minus 20. So which is equal to plus 20 plus or minus. Here already we know that minus of minus, no. So again you will get it as minus 20 whole square means 20 whole square only. Minus 4 into a is equal to 3 and c is equal to here minus 32. So minus 32 whole by 2 into here a is equal to 3. Okay, so simplify this. M is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 20 is 400 and minus into minus, that is a plus. So here 4 3 is 12. So 12 into 32 whole by 2 3 is 6. Understand? So from this one, M is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 400 plus here 12 2 is 24. So 4 and 2 and here 12 3 is 36. So 36 plus 2 is 38. Okay, whole by 6. Understand? So from this one, M is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 784 whole by 6. So M is equal to, so here 20 plus or minus and here 784. 784 is the square root of 28. Okay, 784, that is the perfect square, right? So its square root is 28. Okay, so 28 whole square whole by 6. So square root and square gets cancelled. So from this one, M is equal to 20 plus or minus 28 by 6. Understand? So from this one, M is equal to, here we can take the two roots, no? So 20 plus 28 by 6 or 20 minus 28 by 6. Understand? So from this one, 48 by 6 or minus 8 by 6. Okay, so see here 6 8s 48 and here 2 4s 2 3s. Okay, so we can take here 8 or minus 4 by 3. Those two are the values of M. So here they ask that M value only, no? So what is the value of M here? So M is equals to 8 or minus 4 by 3. So that option is there or not? See here, minus 4 by 3 or 8. So which option is correct, ma? Here minus 4 by 3 or 8. So which option is correct here? Yes, option 4 is correct. So once again see children, here first they given that one of the quadratic expression, no? So we have to show that one as a perfect square. So when we can say that given expression, we can show that one as a perfect square means if delta is equal to 0. Okay, that kind of nature of roots already we discussed in the previous concepts, right? So apply that concept here. So according to that one, here delta is equal to 0. So what is the value of delta? B square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac value should be equals to 0. Okay, so after simplify that, here we are finally we will get that M value. So that M value, that one only they asked here. Then the value of M. So what is the value of M? Either minus 4 by 3 or 8. Understand? So let us see the next question. Okay, so children see here the number of real roots of the equation. So here they given that equation, we need to find the number of real roots. Okay, so see this one here, x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. Okay, if you don't know directly, then first see that simplification. Okay, so x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. Okay, so simplify this. Later we will see that how many roots are there, how many real roots are there. Okay, so x minus 1 whole square, x square plus 1 minus 2ab. x square, which means a minus b whole square formula applied here. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Understand? Yes. Plus here also same. A square minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4x, plus 2 square is 4. Okay. Plus x square minus 2 3s is 6x plus 9, which is equal to 0. Understand? Now just see that like terms here. X square, which is equals to 3x square. Minus 2x minus 4x, that is minus 6x, and here also minus 6x is there. So minus 12x. Clear? Next constant terms. Plus 1 plus 4, 5, and here 9, which is equals to 14. So plus 14 is equal to 0. Understand? So finally we got this equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That form is there now here. Now we can check that nature of the roots. Understand? Now we can check that nature of the roots. So first find here delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, no? So find this. B is equal to minus 12 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 3, c is equal to 14. Okay. Next, 12 12s 144 minus 12 into 14. Okay. So which is equals to delta is equal to 144 minus 144 minus 12 into 14 is equal to 168. Okay. So here delta is equal to 144 minus 168. So the leftover 8 minus 4 is 4, and here 6 minus 4 is 2, and here minus. So delta value what we got here? Delta is equal to minus 24. So children, here delta is equal to minus 24 we got, means delta is less than 0. Understand? Here we got the delta is equal to minus 24. So minus 24 means that is negative value. So negative value means less than 0 only, no? So delta value is less than 0. So if the delta value is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Roots are imaginary. Understand, ma? But here what they asked in that question, how many real roots are there? But here we are getting here imaginary roots, which means how many real roots are there? Roots are imaginary, which means not real. Okay. So how many real roots are there? Yes, 0 real roots are there. Understand? How many imaginary roots means we can say that 2. But here how many real roots they asked? Here we got that roots are imaginary, which means no real roots are there. So that's why here number of real roots is 0. Understand? So